Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Forms data into Glide apps step by step clearly. To restore Google Forms data into Glide apps, start by opening Google Forms. Locate the form from which you want to extract data. Click on the Responses tab at the top of the form. In this section, you will see a summary of all collected responses. To access the data in a more manageable format, click on the Google Sheets icon. This will create a spreadsheet containing all form responses. Once the spreadsheet opens, review the data to ensure everything is captured correctly. Next, log into your Glide account and select the app you want to update. Navigate to the Data section within the Glide editor. Click on the plus New Table button to create a new table for your Google Forms data. In the table creation window, choose Google Sheets as your data source. Grant Glide access to your Google Sheets account if prompted. Select the spreadsheet that corresponds to your Google Form responses. Glide will automatically import the data from the selected spreadsheet. Once the data has been imported, review it for accuracy and completeness. You may need to format the columns to fit your app's needs. Adjust column types as necessary, based on the data they contain. After formatting, proceed to design your app interface. Drag and drop components to build the app layout. Link the components to the imported data for dynamic display. Finally, test the app to ensure all functions work as expected. Make any necessary adjustments before sharing your app with users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.